Okay, this is chapter 11, question 67. We have solid W, X, Y, and Z. They are compounds of two different group 2 metals, yeah? Now, from the users lah, then we guess, we identify what are W, X, Y, and Z. Compound W is used as a refractory lining material in kilns. This one is always magnesium oxide. Okay, so W is magnesium oxide. Now, compound X is used as building material. Okay, it could be calcium oxide, calcium hydroxide, or calcium carbonate. So we look at the next statement. It can also be heated to form Y. Something that can be heated, it should be calcium carbonate. And heated form Y, this is calcium oxide. Now, when Y is hydrated, this one hydrated, meaning, okay, you add water to calcium oxide. It forms SAG, which is used agriculturally to treat soil. This one add water, you get calcium hydroxide. So they ask which statements about these compounds are correct. Now we have identified them already. So now you know what is X, what is W, what is Y, what is Z. Number one, more acid is neutralized by 2 grams of X than by 2 grams of W. First, I will write equation for X with acid. That means calcium carbonate with acid. Okay, acid just put hydrogen ion. So I will get calcium ions. I'll get carbon dioxide, and I'll get water. I balance the equation. Okay, this 1 mole of X should react with 2 moles of acid. Okay, now let's write the equation for W with acid. W is magnesium oxide. Okay, I'll get magnesium ions, and then I'll get H2O. So again, balance the equation. 1 mole of W will react with 2 moles of acid. Okay, now they say we use 2 grams of X and 2 grams of W. So now let's find the number of mole of X and number of mole of W. Okay, put it here. So number of mole of X, which is calcium carbonate, is 2 grams divided by the molar mass. Calcium is 40.1. Carbon is 12. Okay, oxygen is 16 multiplied by 3. Okay, so it should be 0.02. Okay, I round it up. Okay, now if I have 0.02 mole of calcium carbonate, okay, it will neutralize how much of acid? So amount of acid neutralized will be 0.02 multiplied by 2, which is 0.04 mole. Okay, now let's do the same for magnesium oxide, W. So let's find the number of mole of magnesium oxide, which is 2 gram also. Okay, divide by the MR of MgO, so 24.3 plus 16. Okay, 0.05. So what is the amount of acid that can be neutralized by this 0.05 mole of magnesium oxide? Look at the equation. Again, should multiply by 2. Okay, so you see, this is the amount of acid neutralized by magnesium oxide. This is the amount of acid neutralized by calcium carbonate. So which one more? Okay, I put this is actually X. Yeah? Okay, this is W. So W more than X. But the first statement say X more than W. So first statement is wrong. Now, MR of X is greater than MR of Y. Look at X and Y again. X is calcium carbonate, Y is calcium oxide. So, find the MR, calcium carbonate we found already here, which is 100.1. Calcium oxide is 40.1 plus 16. 56.1. So what's the difference? The difference will be 100.1 minus 56.1, which is 44. So statement number 2 is correct. So you see, when number 1 is wrong, the only combination will be 2 and 3. So when you are very sure that number 1 is wrong, the answer will be C, 2 and 3 correct. But of course, we still try to try to reason, okay, explain for 2 and 3 and confirm whether that they are correct or not. Now look at number 3. The metallic element in Y reacts with cold water more quickly than the metallic element in W. Now in Y, the metallic element is calcium. Metallic element in W is magnesium. Calcium and magnesium. Reactivity of group 2 metals, okay, increases going down the group. Calcium is below magnesium in group 2. Calcium is more reactive than magnesium. So statement number 3 is correct. They say calcium reacts with cold water more quickly than magnesium. So answer is C. 2 and 3 are correct.